Kimberly Edwards from cookingwithkimberly.com, and this is what I say about food. And this is what I say about Compliments brand macaroni and cheese. This is just the plain old macaroni and cheese from Compliments. Compliments is a brand from Sobeys, and Sobeys is a line of supermarkets here in Canada. And if you don't live here, I guess you wouldn't know that either. So that comes from Compliments. You can check them out online at compliments.ca and their whole variety of products that most of them I really, really like. Anyhow, I like the macaroni and cheese. I'm wondering, is it just me out there, or is macaroni, like the elbows of macaroni in every macaroni and cheese box, shrinking to a really tiny size? They used to be way bigger when I was little, and I liked the bigger size. I don't know why they're so tiny. I'm not complaining, it's tasty, it's a nice staple. This is obviously an off-brand, it's more inexpensive than the other. I don't find the other that much better, just saying. So yeah, if you're looking for a more inexpensive brand, something probably half the price of the other one, then this is a good alternative, okay? They have other varieties too from Compliments, but this is just the plain old mac and cheese variety, and I'm not mad at it. Yep, I eat mac and cheese sometimes. It reminds me of my childhood. Get out of here if you have a problem with that. I'm sure you eat things that you ate in your childhood too. I remember coming home from school and running home to watch the Flintstones, and my mom would make me mac and cheese. Are you kidding me? Those were the days. Anyhow, I hope you do that for your kids, and check them out again. That's Compliments brand mac and cheese. Follow me on Twitter at Cooking with Kim, E with a capital E. I hope you like the fan pages, facebook.com/cookingwithkimberly. My shows are on ifood.tv/cookingwithkimberly and youtube.com/cookingwithkimberly, and my site is cookingwithkimberly.com. That's it, that's all. Be a champion in your kitchen and eat deliciously. Bye.